Election declared void. The Election Commission, on its part, can declare an election as void and direct a fresh poll. This happens in case any voting machine has been unlawfully taken away, EVM has been accidentally or intentionally destroyed, lost, damaged, or tampered with, so that the result of that PS cannot be determined. The EVM develops a technical error or any other error that might vitiate the voting process in case of booth capturing. As a presiding officer, if you are sure that booth capturing is taking place, you are expected to immediately push the close button in the control unit of the voting machine and call the police. Once the close button gets pressed, the EVM will no longer record any further votes. Ravi has to inform the RO immediately about this, who will report the same to the Election Commission. The EC, depending on circumstances, either decides to have an adjourned poll if it feels that the voting till that stage was not vitiated, or can order a fresh poll. When the EC orders a fresh poll, it has to be taken in the same manner as in the original poll. All electors will be entitled to vote again, with only one difference. In the case of a fresh poll, the left hand middle fingers of the voters will be marked with indelible ink.